Welcome to the 30 Days to Healthy Living. This is for anyone who's ready to feel better from the inside out. If you want better gut health, more energy, improved sleep, less digestive discomfort, and support for both weight loss and muscle gain, you are in the right place. This is a 30-day approach to healthy living built around simple daily habits that support your body at a foundational level. These habits have already helped so many people feel lighter, stronger, clearer, and more present. If you're ready for a real shift, this is your moment. Before we dive into the habits, I want to pause here. This part really matters. So many symptoms are incredibly common right now. Constipation, digestive issues, inflammation, skin concerns, irritability, brain fog. Our bodies are designed to digest well, think clearly, have a steady energy, balance hormones, and feel good overall. When they don't, it might be a signal that your body needs support, not something to ignore or push through. That's exactly why the 30 Days to Healthy Living focuses on nourishing the body with simple, consistent, and sustainable habits. Let's talk about the easiest way to start your day strong, your morning protein shake. Most people aren't getting enough protein, and ideally we should be aiming for close to a gram of protein per pound of ideal body weight, especially if weight loss and maintaining or building muscle are goals. With busy schedules, it can be hard to prioritize protein first thing in the morning. That's why this quick 25-gram shake is such a game changer. You simply shake it up in a blender bottle, no prep, no mess, and you've got something satisfying that supports fat loss, muscle recovery, blood sugar balance, and steady energy. It's one of the simple habits that sets the tone for the rest of the day. Also, it's so delicious. It's very creamy, it's made with avocado oil for its healthy fat. Everyone loves it. Next up is one of my favorite daily habits, the GreenSynergy Elixir. This little packet is smart nutrition made simple. It supports collagen production with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and biotin for healthy looking skin, hair, nails. You also get 13 digestive enzymes plus 3 billion CFUs of probiotics and prebiotics to support your gut health and reduce bloat. And the phytonutrient blend provides a full rainbow of fruits and veggies, including greens like broccoli, spinach, and spirulina. It's refreshing, kind of citrusy like a cold pressed lemonade, and easy, a simple way to support your gut and glow from the inside out. And of course, we all need a good clean source of energy to keep up with our busy days. Fizz sticks are my go-to because they're so much cleaner and more affordable than a typical energy drink. They provide a smooth, steady boost thanks to slow-releasing caffeine, plus methylated B vitamins your body can actually use. You also get green tea extract for antioxidant and immune support. It's energy without the jitters or the crash. And last but not least, CleanTox Detox Tea is crafted with milk thistle and dandelion root, botanicals used traditionally to support the body's natural cleansing pathways, the kidneys and the liver. It's designed to gently support daily balance and wellness. This caffeine-free tea is so delicious. I love it especially in the evening. The peppermint and chamomile are such a great finish to a busy day and help me relax and get the best night's sleep, all while beginning the wellness and balance of my body. As we wrap, I want to share why I trust Arbonne for all of these habits. Arbonne has been in business for 45 years, and for 45 years we followed some of the strictest ingredient standards in the world, banning over 2,000 ingredients to keep products clean, safe, and supportive of overall wellness. They're plant-powered, non-GMO, gluten-free, and formulated without common endocrine disruptors. And as a certified B Corporation, Arbonne is committed to sustainability, ethical practices, and caring for both people and the planet. This is clean nutrition you can feel confident about. So if you're ready to jump into the 30 Days to Healthy Living, here's what you're going to get. 60 high-powered protein meals, 30 days of gut health support, fruits and veggies, collagen support, daily clean energy, support for your kidneys and your liver, plus simple recipes, accountability, and friends to work with along the way. And one of the best parts, it's all for around $10 a day, truly less than a trip to the coffee shop. You'll be happy to know that everything in Arbonne has a 90-day money-back guarantee, even if you use up the products. So that means results or a refund. This is one of the best gifts you can give yourself, a healthier, stronger, more present version of you. If you're ready to get started, reach back to the person that sent you this video. Let them know you're ready. Let them know your goals, and we'll help you put together a program that's just right for you. Happy 26, and thanks for listening.